State lawmakers say that a law holds Louisiana colleges back from cracking down on hazing.
Andres Fuentes reports a task force aimed at preventing hazing deaths discussed their plans today.
7 months after Kenner native Caleb Wilson died following an alleged hazing incident, state lawmakers say a law makes it difficult for schools to discipline students who haze others.
It's harder now under that bill for an institution to go after a bad actor.
Assistant Attorney General Julie Ralph spoke Tuesday at the second meeting of the Caleb Wilson Task Force. She explained the law passed last year requires colleges to get solid proof of wrongdoing before disciplining students or organizations for violating school rules.
They're going to need strong, consistent, and corroborated proof that leaves them firmly convinced that hazing occurred. It needs to be more than he said, she said.
Lawmakers say the law forces schools to investigate cases despite not having subpoena power to do so.
Without a doubt, this is one of those that we definitely need to go back and take a look at.
The task force is made up of state lawmakers, educational leaders, and law enforcement. They seek to improve Louisiana's anti-hazing laws, and one idea would be requiring yearly student-wide anti-hazing testing at colleges and anti-hazing campaigns in K-12 schools.
It's almost too late when they come to college and they've sort of been accustomed to that culture, either through athletics or in some places they have social clubs that operate like many fraternities and sororities.
3 people are charged in connection to the alleged hazing incident that killed Caleb Wilson this past February. East Baton Rouge's assistant DA says her office will take Wilson's case to a grand jury this coming fall. They also plan to use the Max Grover Act, which calls for 5 years in prison and $10,000 in fines for hazing that results in death. It's named for a victim of a hazing incident at LSU back in 2017.
We're going to be able to see this law in effect for the first time and see how it plays out. But I do anticipate, because of that law, we're going to be able to hold more people accountable.
Now, this task force will have 2 more meetings before it's supposed to submit recommendations to the state legislature on how to improve hazing culture throughout Louisiana. The next meeting will be on November 3rd in Baton Rouge.